Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. Today, all I'm going to do is show you what a female look like when you take care of before you breed her. I keep telling the brothers and sisters, you can't take care of your females once you breed her. You can't just neglect them all year long and then try to take care of the female once you breed her. So what I'm going to do is bring Red Lady out, a daughter of Grand Champion Hog, and let you see what she looked like. She's 5 weeks in on her puppies, you know, and I was taking care of this dog before I bred her. And the reason why I'm speaking about this because brothers give me the excuse about why dogs are so skinny after they whelp their puppies. You know, if your dog is big and healthy before she gets pregnant, she can take care of the puppies and hold her weight better. You know, you can't whelp puppies with a skinny mama dog. So let me let y'all see. Like I said, this is Red Lady. She's a daughter of Grand Champion Hog, and I'm gonna let you see how she looked after 5 weeks in.